Hello, today we're going to install a sirocco 12 volt fan in the caravan. Easiest way to do it is make sure that you isolate your van before and de-isolate after. Run your cable from your battery monitoring system to the outside of where you're going to fit it. You'll get this backing here, drill a hole there, cable will come through, join it up to your 12 volt cable that you brought through, drill 6 holes. The back of the fan, that's where all these 6 holes are going to be. That's where these all join in, and then you'll see where my finger is. And this one here, what will happen is when you go to install it, bring it parallel with where you're gonna be, and then just go straight in, and then you'll put a screw in there, and then you turn it to the right to lock it in. And then these 2 little screws where you come in with your negative and your positive, that's where you'll put it in. The little sockets are a 932, which is a little baby one, and just highly recommend that this little button here, when you go and install it, that'll adjust your arm, and then this here, the main fan, will go left and right and up and down. But when you're traveling, just keep that parallel with the bracket straight here, so the vibration doesn't come out and destroy it. That's what happened to this one when we went to Cape York. For more of these videos, please like McKean Adventures on Facebook. Please follow McKean Adventures on Instagram. Please subscribe to McKean Adventures on YouTube and visit www.mckeanadventures. Have a good day. Thank you.